Hey guys, Melissa here. Welcome to my channel. This video is going to be really quick and I'm going to make a pair of crystal Christmas tree earrings. For supplies, I've got a pair of 10mm crystal flowers, 8mm crystal flowers, and 6mm crystal flowers. And I also threw a couple seed beads in there for color for the top of the trees. I also got a pair of ear wires. I've also cut myself two 6-inch pieces of 20 gauge round sterling silver for this one. First thing I want to do, I want to flatten one end of my wire. This will act as like a head pin, but it'll also look like the trunk of the tree. So I can go ahead and do that now on both of them. Try to make them equal length. Kind of smoothing out the metal as I go, kind of dragging it. Alright, let's see how these fit. It's good enough for me. Just make sure they're equal. It's pretty good. Next, add your beads, and it'll start to look like a little Christmas tree. These beads are easily found at Fire Mountain Gems. I can leave links to those in the description below. So next, grab some round nose pliers. I'm gonna make a loop. Start off like you're making a wrapped loop. This loop is going on top, and I'm gonna wind it around this way. And the other one I'm going to do opposite. So I'll show you what I mean here in a second. So I'm going to get my loop nice and straight. I'm going to bring it around nice and tight once around. And now I'm going to start spiraling around. Now you can make your spirals as wide as you want. You can even, if you want, just coil it together and then flare it out when you're done. I just kind of like to bring it down as I go and shape it the way I want to right off the bat. So you can make your spiral as tight as you want. When you get near the end, you're going to want to kind of make a loop on your end here, because that's going to hook around your base. You're still going to shape it to your liking. Make sure you don't kink it in any way. Kind of bring that around. Kind of coax that a little bit. Hook it around your base. And lock it down. Yeah, decide which direction you want to be the front and just kind of shape it so it looks nice. So I think that's going to be the front because I want the red to show. So the other side, I'm going to kind of match it. We're going to do opposite directions. Going to do my wrapped loop, but I'm going to bring it behind. Not going to go on top. Bring it behind. Grab it with my flat nose. bring it nice across, nice and tight. And start the spiral. Once again, I'm gonna take my end here and make a hook. Just need to do some adjusting so they match. There they are, they're pretty close. Next I'm going to put them on my ear wires so they're facing out the direction I want them to. There we are. Quick and easy spiral Christmas trees. So that's it for me. Thank you for making it to the end. I'm hoping I made a little bit of a variation for you to work upon. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.